My name is Ledelina. I came from the Philippines. I came to school because I want to learn more English. I'm 74 years old. I came here in the America last 2018. My sister, she lived here more than 40 years. And she helped me to come here to work. When I am in the Philippines, I cannot work them because I'm too old. And when I came here, I work here and I earn money for my family. In the Philippines, we're so very, very poor. All of my family is in the Philippines. In my family, I have 4 kids. My eldest grandkids is a teacher now. For 5 years, I work in a laundry. Then, after that, I decided to go in the kitchen. Now, I'm a server for the old people and senior living. I decided to come to school because I really want to learn more English because, if I talk to other people, I don't know how to communicate. Since birth, I didn't touch computer, but just only now I'm 74 years old. The listening computer didn't go in my mind. That's why that is my favorite subject, computer. The computer is fun for me, and the math is fun for me. I just want minus, times, plus, and divide. I want that, but no square root. This is a good exercise, good how to learn. I learn more about English because, in my country, I only elementary graduate. Yeah, in my country, I didn't go to high school. I'm proud myself because I learned English and I communicate people. Lifelong learning is very good for me because even I'm old, I need to learn.